Hey there everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is episode 3 of my Getting Healthy for Beginners series, and today we are going to talk about something that can really help you with improving your health and truly your overall happiness, and that is holistic living. To everyone watching this video right now, I am so excited to have you here. This video is probably one of my favorite videos that I have ever made for my channel, and that is because it holds a message that is near and dear to my heart, and that was key to helping me transform my own personal health. And it also has helped me to shape my career and how I am able to help other people such as yourself. To those who may not know me, hi, my name is Marissa. I'm a pharmacist and health coach, and I make videos here on YouTube to help educate on various health and wellness topics, and ultimately to help inspire people such as yourself to take charge of their health step by step so that they can live a healthy, joyful, and fulfilling life. I would love for you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already so that you can join in on the fun and on this journey with me. So let's start with what is holistic living. You may or may not already be living your life this way, but if you are unfamiliar with what it is, then initially it can be a little hard to wrap your mind around it. That being said, once you understand what it is, then you can really start to see the value in it. And once you start implementing it into your life, then you can really begin to experience the transformation that it can have in your life and in your health. All right, so the definition of holistic, according to dictionary.com, is that it is an adjective that describes things related to the idea that the whole is more than the sum of its parts. So for us in this video, it means to view yourself as a whole, one whole human being where everything is interconnected. And living holistically is ultimately living each day with the mindset of being very intentional with taking care of yourself, mind, body, and soul, in order to help maintain a balance in each area of your life. It's not just about what you eat or how much exercise you do, but it also encompasses other things like your relationships, whether or not you enjoy the work that you do, the quality of your sleep, and your spirituality, which is your connection to something that is bigger than yourself. It doesn't necessarily have to be religion, although it most definitely can be. Now, all of these factors, and I only mentioned a few, work together and have the ability to affect each other and ultimately your overall health and wellness. Because we are all different, there isn't one way to live a holistic life. It's more about mindset, learning about yourself, what you want, what you need, and how to approach and live each day in a way that will nourish you mentally, physically, and spiritually, rather than an exact step-by-step system. This isn't easy to do, especially in the beginning. I will be the first one to admit that. And I think the reason for it is that it is very easy to lose sense of who you authentically are, what you want and what you need in order to feel happy and healthy because of external and internal pressures to live life in a certain way. And when there is so much pressure or noise around you telling you who you should be and what you should do, it can be really hard to listen to your gut and to follow your intuition. But it does get easier over time. The more you check in with yourself, the more aware you become with each factor that's contributing to your health, and the better you get at addressing those factors. So an example of how this may look in real life. Let's say you're struggling with overeating at dinner. A holistic way of addressing this could be to mentally think to yourself, why am I overeating? Am I stressed? If the answer is yes, then you can ask yourself, why am I stressed? Did I have a bad day at work? Did I have a fight with somebody in my family? Did I just not get enough sleep? If the answer is yes, then why didn't I get enough sleep? And another example of this is, let's say you eat a pretty healthy diet and you exercise regularly, but yet you struggle with your digestion. Why? And there's a lot of factors that contribute to gut health, and I have many videos here on my channel talking about them. But for the sake of our example, you can ask yourself questions like, did I recently take any antibiotics? Do I have too much stress in my life? Is it work stress? Is it home stress? Is that stress causing me to not get enough sleep at night? Right? So the point that I am trying to make with these examples is how several factors can work together and affect each other when it comes to a specific health problem or an area of your life that feels unbalanced. and how a holistic mindset can then help you to, one, identify, and then two, address in some way, shape, or form the factor or factors that are triggering you to overeat or have trouble with your digestion. Doing so can hopefully help you to reestablish some balance in those areas of your life. And if you don't address those trigger factors, then most likely you're going to continue to overeat despite your attempts to stop, or you will continue to experience problems with your digestion. Something that can really affect our health is relationships. And I want to talk more about that, but I think it would be better to leave that topic for a whole separate video where I can spend more time on it. But until then, I would love to hear your thoughts on holistic living. Have you tried it? What are your experiences with it? How has it helped you? Or maybe you feel very skeptical about it. So comment down below your thoughts or your questions. I included this topic in this series because when I was trying to improve my own health, the only times that I ever saw improvement and long-lasting positive changes was when I started to live holistically. I know how frustrating it can be when you are trying to improve your health and you feel like you're just not getting anywhere no matter how well you eat or how much exercise you do. But when you look at yourself holistically, you may be able to identify what's really going on and begin to take the necessary steps to correct the issue. So I hope that this video helps you in your journey of improving your health. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you like this video, then please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. It really helps support the growth of my channel and I would really appreciate it. So with that, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.